another exciting video. Today we are diving into the world of no-code tools and how they are revolutionizing app development. We'll explore the top platforms for beginners, the impact on entrepreneurs, and the future of app development. So let's get started. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, can create a functional app just like a Lego masterpiece. That's the power of no-code tools. These platforms have grown at a whopping 22.4% CAGR from 2019 to up until now, transforming the way we build apps. If you're new to no-code, here are the top 5 platforms to kickstart your app building journey. The first one is Bubble. It's a Swiss Army knife of no-code platforms, ideal for creating web apps. You might have heard of Wix, a user-friendly website builder that's perfect for small businesses. The next one is Webflow, which is a powerful visual web design tool that lets you create responsive sites. Adalo, the app building platform for creating mobile apps without a single line of code. And the final is OutSystems, which is a low-code platform for enterprise-level applications. No-code platforms are like magic wands for aspiring entrepreneurs, turning app ideas into reality without the need for a computer science degree. As these tools evolve, we'll see even more non-technical individuals enter the app development space, unleashing a wave of innovation. One aspiring example is Tara Reid, who built Collecto, an art recommendation app using Bubble. Without writing any code, she raised over $100,000 in funding. Talk about a success story. No-code platforms are like digital playgrounds for students, allowing them to learn app development through hands-on experience. As these tools become more widespread, we can expect technology education to become more accessible worldwide. No-code tools and traditional coding are like two sides of the same coin. While no-code platforms make app development more accessible, traditional coding offers unparalleled customization and control. In the future, we can expect a blend of both approaches as developers choose the right tool for the job. No-code platforms aren't without their limitations. Think of them as a pre-built Lego sets, which might not have all the pieces you need for custom masterpiece. However, as these platforms continue to improve and mature, we can expect the limitations to lessen over time. And there you have it. No-code tools are transforming the world of app development, empowering individuals and businesses alike. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.